the epidermis is just cells stacked on top of each other, just packed together. And that means there's no room for tiny little blood vessels to weave in between those cells. And the reason I bring this up is because if you get an abrasion or a cut and you bleed, that means you had to go all the way through the epidermis down to the dermis where the blood vessels actually reside. But again, let's zoom in to say like this segment of the epidermis. So we have more of this microscopic view here. Again, you can see just cells stacked on top of each other, packed together, to the point where the epidermis can be over 50 cell layers thick in some areas of the body, which is kind of crazy to think about. When we looked at the cadaver dissection, the epidermis almost looked like it was paper thin. But when we look at these different cells, this is going to help us to understand the different skin cancer types, because we'll see certain skin cancers are problems with certain types of cells. Now, the cell that you're seeing the most of here are these pink cells called keratinocytes.